What's happening, man? Back with another video, man. Look here. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, man. Push that bell so you'll get an alert every time I post a new video, man. So look, y'all seen the thumbnail, right? Y'all seen the title of the video. I got me a new performance mod, man. Y'all want to know what it is, huh? Y'all gonna guess, or y'all want me to tell you? All right, I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all anyway. Pack just came in. Boom. Y'all see what it is. JLT performance. So I'm gonna let y'all guess what that is while I get it open. So if y'all guess anything other than a cold air intake, man, you're wrong, man. Yeah, so you see I had the JLT cold air intake come in, man. Time to get some cold air going into this thing, man. Y'all see it. So I'm about to go ahead and set up and go ahead and get this installed for y'all, man. All right, man. So before I do anything, man, I'm gonna show y'all I got a small little cosmetic mod I did right here, man. I had to go with the bloody red lines with the bloody red powered by SRT sign. I had to go ahead and do it, man. It looked pretty good, man. So I like the way that hit. So that's just something small I did, man. All right, man. So to uninstall the factory airbox, you're gonna take this bolt right here, unloosen this bolt. All right, and then the next step would be to disconnect this sensor right here. All right, once you disconnect that sensor, you're gonna loosen these clamps. It has a flathead screwdriver, flathead bolt right there. You get a flathead screwdriver. See it right there? Zoom in a little bit. There you go. You're gonna loosen that up, and that's the clamp that holds the factory hose to the throttle body. Disconnect that, and you have another one right here, but you don't really have to disconnect that one, because once you disconnect that one from the throttle body and you take this bolt loose, this whole air box is gonna come up. So we're just gonna remove these two bolts right here from the frame, and then the other one right here on the clamp that'll loosen it from the throttle body. Also, you would take out this little cover right here. So only thing you'll do is just loosen the oil cap. Once you loosen the oil cap, this right here, it just pops right on out. Once you remove this cover, all right, you have a hose right here. This is the vacuum hose to the AC line going to the factory air box. So you would just take this hose, wiggle it off, and it'll come right on out. And once you do that, you'll be ready to go ahead and install your new air box, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect everything. I'm gonna set the camera up, and I'm gonna go ahead and get to it. All right. Man, as y'all can see, the factory air box is out. That's what it looks like right here. So now what you want to do is take see this little sensor right here. You want to wiggle this out, but be careful and don't break it, because this is what you're going to put in the place of your new box and connect your new sensor, connect the sensor to your new hose and box. So wiggle that out. Be real careful, and then this little poppy thing right here, man. Take that out the side of the box, and then you're gonna pop it right back there. Gonna put that back right there. To go through the steps, man, of putting this on, I got this covered up so I won't get into my throttle body of my engine, man. But so you're gonna take this part right here. You're gonna loosen up these bolts to these clamps right here. Loosen those up. And then you're just gonna place this right here on the throttle body. So I'm gonna change that around. So yeah, I'll do that. Then just connect the hose, man, and you know, the sensors and the hose and all that. So I'm gonna do all that, man, and I'm gonna get back with y'all when I'm done. All right, man, so essentially, man, the same steps you followed when taking it off, just reverse those steps, man. Clamp the box down. Before you put that cover back on, connect the vacuum AC hose. Take that little sensor that I took out the box, put that back in that hole, and clamp it down with the clamp. Hose on. Make sure these clamps tight. Put your air filter on, and that's up. That's it. When I tell you this JLT cold air intake is, bro, usually my intake air temperature used to be around, 100, couple of, 102, 103, whatever. But at first it was at 80. I'm entering Mexico. Y'all see how beautiful Mexico is? All right, right now it's at 77, so. At 84, but now it's going right back down. JLT cold air intake for the win. All right, if you're looking for the best cold air intake to put on your Scatpack, 392 Hellcat, whatever, go with JLT, bro. I'm out here because I forgot to tell y'all in the earlier when it was daytime or whatever. So this box was kind of sitting up high, and my hood wouldn't close. So I had to just go down there and kind of just like adjust it so it can go in the little groove, and it actually set the box down some. So now you can see it's like flush with the coolant jug, and that's how you want it to be. So just a little FYI, man. I didn't think about recording the video earlier when I did it because I had already created the video, man. But yeah, now that it's flush with the coolant jug, and now my hood can close. You good to go. One thing I like about these that JLT did, unlike most cold air intakes, once you connect it to the tube, the back side is sealed off, but not this one. This one has a opening at the end of it inside the heat shield box, and it just allows more cold air to get sucked in, man. I love it, man. The throttle response is like amazing. It's basically like your car just took a deep breath of fresh air, and you can actually feel. And it also gives you that whoosh sound that you might be looking for. Even when you turn the car off, it still sounds like tss, like you just opened a fresh Sprite or something. But yeah, man, so it's supposed to give you 12 or 20 horsepower per the web page, but you wouldn't really know unless you put your car on a dyno. I feel difference in throttle. So like I said, unless you put your car on a dyno, you won't really know the exact numbers of the horsepower that you gain. But that's gonna be another video, man. I'm gonna do that soon so I can kind of see what gains I got. But if you are a Scatpack, 392 Hellcat, whatever owner, and you're searching YouTube trying to figure out what cold air intake gonna be the best for you, go with JLT, man. I promise you. I've done research. I looked at videos, everything. JLT intakes, man, they take the cake, and that's me. And I've seen Hellcats, 392s, Mustangs, any Camaros, any sports car you name with different air intakes, man. But JLT, I've seen a lot about JLT, so I just went on to bit the bullet, man. I'm telling you, man, it's the best bang for your buck. You know what I'm saying? So check that out, man. And yeah, man, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here, man. So if you found this video informative, man, you like it, man, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you haven't already, man, like this video, share this video, man, drop some comments, tell a friend to tell one of their friends that Rob said we going up the whole 2019, whatever, however many months we got left, we finna go up, man. All right, we out.